Hello, I'm Kevin, and I'm a member of the Wakanda Party. And we, as fellow Wakandians, are all for the future of our world and the future of our generations. We are for the military, we are for the police. We believe that they should stay funded because without them in our society, there would be a very big change and definitely not a good one. We in Indiana need to bring more accountability to mental health, especially our younger generations. In high school, you go through so much. To add COVID on top of that, that is ridiculous. No one should have to go through it. And the students that are going through it now, they are brave, they are powerful, and they are extraordinary. I have a mentor, on another note, named T'Challa, and he is for the New World, just as I am. And this is where I get everything from. He brought so much knowledge to me, and I believe he can bring so much knowledge to you. I say thank you. All we have to do is stay together, and we got this.